If Prime Minister tell me, you touch my feet, I will help Bengal, that also I am ready to do. But please don't humiliate me like this. I mentioned 3 times, sir, with your kind permission, may I leave, along with my secretary. We have got the information that we have to wait 20 minutes there because Prime Minister helicopter will be landing there, and after we will get the permission. It may be for security reason, we don't mind for that, we don't have any objection. Then also we move about 10-15 minutes. That we don't mind because it depends on security, Prime Minister's security, we give priority to that. We are coming from too far. It is only because of Prime Minister to give him respect. We thought it is our duty to meet and after cyclone to submit our report. Our Chief of Security Director, he asked SPG that please tell Prime Minister, convey this that CM wants to meet him only 1 minute to hand over the report of the cyclone. She will not disturb. Then they said SPG, 1 hour का बाद बोलिए, अभी कुछ नहीं होगा. Then also he informed us and we were sitting quietly. Then through somebody we came to know that they went to conference room. Then myself and Alapon, we thought that instead of attending the meeting, it is better if you go to the conference room where meeting was held. They have shown some vacant chair. It may be earlier, it may be after that. It's a fact that there was no need to sit there at that time because the meeting, earlier it was decided PM and CM, but later on it was totally revised list has been given where Honorable Governor, Central Minister I have no objection, then MLA, then opposition leader, what they mean. So the big BJP party. So myself along with my Chief Secretary, we entered the room with their permission. And there we said, look Prime Minister, we have to go to Digha. The weather is not good. We are coming from too far. We have already visited the cyclone affected areas like Sandeshkhali, Hingalganj, Minakha, Harwa. Then we went to Sagar, Namkhana, Pathor Protima. We have visited. And after that, it was very difficult to come to Kalaikunda. The weather was not permitted. Instead of that, we have taken risk because to meet you. So we came from Kalaikunda, from Sagar to Kalaikunda, and from here we have to go to Digha. So if you don't mind, sir, we want to hand over you the briefing of the regarding cyclone and our project report, and whatever we have the report received till now, we want to hand over to you. That's why we came to meet you. Then I hand over it to Prime Minister and he has taken it. And then I said, sir, with your kind permission, may I leave? Because our weather is not good, so I have to go to Digha because we have the meeting is been fixed there. Because all the press people, you were aware that Digha there is an administrative review meeting. Then with his permission we came. Now you tell us what is our fault? Why we didn't enter the meeting? We didn't attend the meeting. The meeting was not what was decided earlier, PM-CM meeting, it was not. The revised list I have with me, there itself said the Honorable Governor will be here, The ministers will be there, the opposition leaders will be there. Okay, look, I have no problem. But you tell me, why 2 consecutive years you have not recognized the opposition political parties in Delhi Parliament under your guidance? If you have so free and fair. Number 2, why in Gujarat last week you went there? Why you not called opposition leader there? It is your state. Even Odisha also opposition leader was not there. In my state, whenever you come, you create some confusion and always you create some confrontation. Why? Even when I took oath, within a minute governor gave the statement, I have a special interest for that. If Prime Minister tell me, you touch my feet, I will help Bengal, that also I am ready to do. But please don't humiliate me like this. Don't insult me like this. Don't defame about Bengal without knowing the case. One-sided manipulation, news manipulation you are giving from the PM house.